Also, I just got my Allure beauty box in the mail for the month of April. So I thought I'd do another unboxing with you guys. So here we go. Ooh. Oh, it's a dry shampoo. Okay, this is cool. What the heck is this? Is that like a tiny sponge? Okay, very nice. Okay, let's see what we got here. All right. Liquid Glow. What is this? Is it like a liquid highlighter or something? Ooh! Liquid Glow. What is that? The shimmering rose gold shade is light and springy, and it also happens to be the fastest route to a soft, pretty glow this season. Okay. Oh, it's a liquid highlighter. Okay, that's what I thought. Means it is easy to blend and looks all the more natural. The doe foot applicator makes highlighting a cinch, and the shimmering flecks inside are so small that it looks super subtle on skin. Okay, try wearing it under foundation or tinted moisturizer for a lip from within glow. Ooh, that'd be cool. It says it's originally $24, and I have a code for 20% off. Very nice. Okay, I'm definitely gonna try that. I didn't think I was getting that. Okay, and then we got Saturday Skin. It's a refining peel gel. Let's see what this one is about. Oh, it is a sponge. It's technically a makeup blend. Hold on, I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay. So it says how you'll use it. Rub the gel in circular motions around your face for 1 minute and then rinse it off with a few splashes of water. For radiant skin, we like using it at night once or twice a week. Wait, okay, what exactly is it? This exfoliating gel is spring cleaning to the nth degree. As you use it, you can feel and see dead skin cells. Oh. So it's like a resurfacing peel in a way. Okay, it's also why this gentle formula with papaya, pineapple, and cellulose makes skin so glowy and soft that one editor has to stop herself from constantly touching her newly smooth complexion after she uses it. Okay, so once or twice a week. Oh, I'm excited to try that. And you get 75 milliliters. Okay. Okay, let's see this. The dry shampoo. Oh, wait. It came with 2 of them? I don't... Okay, I'm getting too ahead of myself here. Let's see. Essential hydrating oil. Oh! That's sunscreen. Okay, I'm excited for this. Okay, so this dry shampoo. Spend less time. Okay. The vanilla citrus scent is warm and clean all at once. Very nice. And it says it's originally $26. Okay. For 5.3 ounce. But this is only 0.75 ounces. Okay. And then these are like so tiny and so cute. Deliberately bounced over foundation. Oh, that is so cute. I wonder how big they'll get. Okay, and then we got the... Oh, it's an essence. No, I don't need to buy one of these. Oh my gosh. I almost made another beauty counter order for the Counter Time Essence, but now I can try this. Let's see what it's about. Okay, the Neogen. Here we go. Sprinkle the essence into your hand and then pat it onto. Okay, hold on. It's originally $38. And it says, although it looks like water and feels like it on skin, this K-Beauty Essence is a potent prep step for a hydrated, brighter, smoother complexion. Essences are beloved in Korea, and boosting radiance in this particular one is spiked with buzzy, fermented skincare ingredients, rice, and yeast to soothe and nourish skin. Brightening niacinamide and calming allantoin, I don't know how you say that, round out this powerhouse formula. Ooh, I'm very excited to try that. And then, yeah, that is not what I got. I think it's that in the front. Oh yeah, the OC. Okay. It says, one pump is proof that facial oils can soothe and moisturize skin without feeling oily or greasy. We shall see. OC is, I don't know how you say it, hydrating, calming blend of 8 oils, including moisturizing jojoba seed and soothing geranium, leaves skin soft and supple. And it says for the 1 ounce, it retails for $68. Oh, and they gave me a code for 10% off. Like, that'll make a dip. Okay. Says, press how you'll use it. Press the fast absorbing formula into your skin and smooth any extra oil over your lips to seal the deal. Okay. Oh, it says it's clean, vegan, California made. That's cool. All right, I'm gonna try that tonight. And then we got the, here we go. The broad spectrum SPF 50 plus. Okay. It says why you'll love it. Sunscreen is an everyday skincare staple, and Alta MD's is the one you're most likely to find in a dermatologist's skincare stash and beach bag. It offers serious sun protection with a blend of mineral and chemical. Ugh. Why does it have chemical? Without looking, feeling, or smelling sunscreeny. It's fortified with skin brightening antioxidant vitamin C. Oh, that's cool. And moisturizing hyaluronic acid. Oh, and it's fragrance-free, oil-free. Okay, that's great to hear. Reapply every 2 hours or after 80 minutes of swimming or exercising. Okay, I'm very excited about this. All right, well, that's it, you guys. I will keep you updated and let you know what I think about it all. All right,